Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to play Among Us on your laptop without downloading it. We'll explore cloud gaming, a fantastic way to enjoy games directly through your web browser. This method saves valuable storage space and gets you into the action quickly. You'll need a reliable internet connection for the best experience. Many services offer free trials, letting you jump right into the fun. Several excellent cloud gaming platforms support Among Us. NVIDIA GeForce now allows you to play games you've purchased on other stores. Boosteroid offers a broad selection of titles, often including popular games like Among Us. Amazon Luna also provides various games through its channel subscriptions. Each platform requires an account and a good internet connection for optimal performance. To begin, select your preferred cloud gaming service and sign up for an account. It's crucial to check their recommended internet speed, typically around 15 to 25 megabits per second. You can use your laptop's keyboard and mouse or connect a compatible game controller. Once set up, simply find Among Us in their library and launch it to start playing instantly. Playing Among Us via cloud gaming offers several benefits. You save significant disk space on your laptop, as no game files are downloaded. This also allows you to play on less powerful machines. However, be aware that internet latency can affect your experience, so a strong connection is key. Subscription costs differ, so compare services to find the best value for your gaming needs.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.